students, let's explore Next Learning Platform app. On the top 3 lines, you will see your profile. You will see all your relevant details over here. By clicking on attendance, you will see your attendance. Calendar will show you all the updates that are planned for you from the school side. You can have a day view, week view, and month view of the same. You can also filter the events and see what is planned for you by the school. In Communication tab, you will get all relevant communication from school side. Either you will get it from SMS, email, or notification. Now in Homework tab, you will get all necessary information related to your homework. You will get it through SMS, email, or notification. In Next Gurukul, you will find Wiki for all your academic related information and Q&A forum for general discussion. You can also use filter tool to finding out information in a sorted way. You can select different boards and different class to find out your information. In Practice Corner, you will find an assessment. You can practice by attempting these assessments shared by the school. Later, you can check your reports on Reports page. You can select Student Workspace to find out any homework assigned to you. You can see it on Due Today or Due Later tab. After selecting homework, you can complete the same and teachers will get notified. By clicking on classwork, you will see that your teacher is live. You will get a green button. You need to press that